Don't pay for another prop firm reset before watching this video. Did you blow your prop firm account again? You're not alone. Most traders end up hitting a reset, sometimes more than once. But before you pay for another reset, listen up. There are a few simple reasons this keeps happening, and a few things you can do right now to fix them. Most traders think it's bad luck, or that the market is against them. The truth? Most account blowouts come from common mistakes that are behavior-related, not strategy-related. Things like overtrading and trying to pass too quickly, revenge trades, trying to win back what you lost, or simply ignoring your own rules made for success. These aren't technical issues. They're behavior patterns that quietly destroy accounts every week. So let's talk about some behavior change techniques you can start using today to stop repeating these mistakes. Tip number 1. Step away after a loss. Even one losing trade can trigger emotional trading. Losing trades are part of trading. Compounding them is what blows accounts. When you take a losing trade, step away. Reset. Accept it as part of the process and return to the chart only when ready. If you can't reset, then shut it down for the day. Come back tomorrow and live to trade another day. Tip number 2. Only trade your setups. Stop chasing the market. Only take trades that fit your strategy and plan. No exceptions. No guessing. No jumping in on a hunch or late entries. When you do this, you are messing with the math of what could otherwise be a profitable strategy. Tip number 3. Track everything. Write it down. Date. Setup. Result. Why you took the trade. Patterns will start to show. Then you can use this data to fine-tune your strategy and setups, or rule out certain times or market conditions to be taking any trades at all. So, before your next trading session, and definitely before paying for a reset, take a step back. Set up some guardrails in your trading plan to help control your behavior and build better habits. Start tracking every trade, treating your trading like a data collection of wins and losses. Over time, this gives you the insights you need to consistently improve and avoid repeating the same mistakes. If you want some simple framework tips to help your trading plan work without blowing accounts, check out my website at futurestradingonecontract.com. I've also got a free trade tracker you can instantly download as well. Don't pay for another reset before you at least check it out. And good luck in your trading journey.